choose a caulk color for tub and shower seams by balancing visibility, maintenance, and harmony with tile and grout. Start by assessing the dominant color and texture in the shower space and the grout tone, because those determine whether the seam should blend or contrast. If you want a classic, universally acceptable option, pick white, since it reads as clean and bright and makes discoloration more obvious, so you can address mildew early. For a seamless, high-end look, match the caulk to the grout color. This reduces the visual interruption along tile lines and makes the entire surface read as one plane. When matching grout, take a small sample or a clear photograph in natural light to the supplier so you can compare the actual caulk swatch under similar lighting. Use a silicone or silicone blend, caulk rated for baths and showers for durability and mold resistance, and prefer a mildew-resistant formulation. If you have natural stone tiles, choose a sealant compatible with stone to avoid staining. Test a small bead in an inconspicuous corner to verify color after curing, since some caulks dry slightly darker or lighter than the wet sample. Common mistakes include choosing a caulk solely from a tiny color chip, which can look different once applied and cured, so always test a bead and view it from normal standing distance before finishing. Another issue is selecting a caulk not formulated for wet areas, which will degrade and stain quickly, so confirm the label specifies bath or shower use and mold resistance. Third, people often ignore lighting differences, so a color that matches under store lights may clash at home. Bring samples and check at the time of day you use the bathroom most. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors through searchable profiles and community discussions where we swap real-world experiences about finishes and materials. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with potential clients and contribute to the discussion community, so trust and familiarity grow over time.